Today I'm going to be talking about integrations. Now, as a specialist provider of a performance development platform, we do this exceptionally well. However, the big question that usually comes up is around our integration capability and ensuring that how we fit within the broader ecosystem of software that our customers are using, it doesn't create this data fragmentation issue where things get out of sync. From an HR perspective, this is usually very much focused on the use case of when employees get created in either an HRIS system or a payroll system, that data will come and flow through into our platform seamlessly. Just as when the individuals get or move on from the organisation, then those records need to be deactivated in our platform. So we handle this through our open API architecture. We've integrated with numerous other software systems that facilitate this process. It can be completely automated. If there is no technical capability to automate and you maybe don't have too high a turnover of employees or new employees starting, then we can also do manual file uploads. There's a whole bunch of different ways that we've managed to address this, but all very seamlessly from a customer perspective. The other part, which is sometimes not addressed but is just as important, is single sign-on, and we will hook into, depending on if you're using Microsoft or Google, into that platform so that people or your employees don't need to remember new sets of usernames and passwords. So you can use the same credentials to log into our platform as you would into any of your other systems. Now, the integration use case that often gets forgotten though is actually the employee experience. And on the other side of this, we have a lot of integrations that fit into the everyday tools that your employees are using. So for example, if I'm a team member wanting to book a one-on-one meeting with my manager, our system has a deep integration with the calendar system, whether it's Google or Microsoft Office. We're able to see real time the availability of that manager, and we can present that into our platform at the time I'm making a one-on-one booking with my manager, so that I don't have to jump context between the two. We also have other integrations around G Suite, around Slack, so that you can have this praise wall going, and sharing from in Slack will automatically come through to our platform and vice versa. So these integrations are just as important but often get overlooked, and they really help to get the buy-in and the adoption, which is ultimately what you want from your team members once you start to roll out. And naturally on the other side, we're taking care of that data continuity problem, and you get the best of both worlds. You get to enjoy a best of breed specialized solution without the traditional data fragmentation problems. I'm Mark, co-founder of Crewmojo. If you'd like to discuss more about integrations, then I'd love to chat.